Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen here to give you the most delicious recipes. Here we are back with a chicken yassa recipe. If you want to see how this lovely dish is achieved, please stay tuned as we show you step by step how to go about it. It's a dish that tastes really good with rice, couscous, bread, spaghetti or any type of pasta. It's really a dish that you want to try. So if you're curious and you're liking this right now, please hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, as we have wonderful dishes like this coming on this channel every Saturday. So give us those thumbs up. Over here I have some Cornish hen cut into pieces that we're going to marinate. It's already washed with lemon and salt. First thing we're gonna do is to marinate the chicken, okay? And for that we have here some vinegar. I add that to my mixing bowl. Onto that I have here some blended ingredients: garlic, pepper, green bell peppers. You can add green onions, parsley, whatever you like. Okay, but in here I just have habanero pepper, garlic, some green peppers, not a lot. Okay, that's all I have here. Blended. Add that to my mixing bowl. Here I have some seasoning and salt. Add that. Then I add some black pepper as well. Okay, depending on the amount you use all of these based on that. You can see how I marinate this chicken as well in my yakale video, where I showed how to marinate this in detail. I also have some ginger powder that I'm going to add to it. You can use fresh ginger as well. It is really good in this recipe. I also add some mustard. Not a lot of mustard, because then it sticks to the pan when you're frying, so just a little amount of mustard. Mix all of that together. Mixture is all set. Now you check to see the salt content, the pepper, and everything else. Whatever is missing you can add at this point before you add in the chicken. So everything is looking okay. I throw in my chicken, marinate it. The chicken is all set and marinated, so we're going to let it sit in this marinade overnight. You can start cooking after 2 hours or 1 hour. It still will be fine, but the longer it stays in the marinade, the better the taste. Our chicken has been sitting in the marinade overnight. I transferred it to my cooking pot and I'm going to steam it until it's cooked before I fry it. For the rest of our ingredients, I have here some onion. If you see this, that requires a lot of onions, so we have some onions here already diced, some potatoes, some bell peppers, okay? But the most important bell pepper here is the green one, so even if you don't have the yellow and the red, that's okay, but the green one, make sure you have it when you're cooking this dish. And we also have some frozen vegetables to go with our dish as well. These are the vegetables on this plate are for garnishing, okay? Used to decorate our plate and as well make it as healthy as possible. So you can use vegetables of your choice. Now I'm going to marinate my onions. To do that, I have some marinade from the chicken. That's the marinade that we use for the chicken. Pour that on our onion. Okay. Add some seasoning and just a little bit of black pepper. So when we start cooking, that's when we're going to add whatever is missing. So right now we're only adding this to marinate our onion. Add the seasoning, mix it all together and set it aside. Okay, so now we're going to start frying our potatoes. Oil is set now. golden brown now, so we take them out. Our steamed chicken, you can fry this or you can grill it, whatever you like. For today we are going to be frying ours. We're going to let the oil heat up and then we start frying our chickens. Our oil is hot. Now I'm going to fry my chicken. Brown on one side, so I'm going to turn it to get the other side also golden brown. Golden brown now, so we take it out. The chickens are done frying. Now we're going to fry our onion mixture, okay, with the green bell peppers. Mix it all together and check to see what is missing and add at this stage. Black pepper, mustard, vinegar, the spices. This is where you add whatever is missing. So I've checked and I'm adding a little bit of vinegar, some mustard. So I add a tablespoon of mustard, and a little bit of black pepper is also going to be added. And I'll slice in some habanero peppers as well. Habanero peppers are in. Now the frozen vegetables and the rest of the bell peppers are also going in. This is some of the marinade from the steamed chicken. So I'm going to drop just about 2 tablespoons of that to it. Just that. Sit all together and now let the water from the onion simmer down before we add in our chicken and the potatoes. Our stew has simmered down a little bit now. Okay, it's looking so beautiful. Now we're going to add in our potatoes and our chicken. Why we want the potatoes to be cooked during frying. Mix it to incorporate the gravy and the potatoes. So now the job of the done. So we're going to let it simmer down to the consistency that we want. So in this dish, you don't want the onions to be fully cooked. Okay? So we're just going to let it simmer down a little bit, just 5 minutes, and we are done. There you have it. That's how it looks when it is completely simmered down. So see you at the plating. Bon appetit. That's our final dish. There you have it. All garnished. This is a dish that you really don't want to miss. Bon appetit. See you next Saturday. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.